Hello friends, this lesson is going to be all about 4 by 2 digit numbers. You already did 3 by 2. 4 by 2 digit numbers, 4 digit times 2 digit, using the standard algorithm to multiply. Now, maybe you used, I think I said this last time, but maybe you used the standard one for 3 by 1 and 4 by 1, but then it wasn't feeling as good for the bigger numbers. Go to one of the other ones. That is not a problem at all. So I will show you this though and how you can use it. So if I have 2,535 times 47. So similarly to the other times when we had 2-digit numbers, we start with the ones digit, and I do that times each of the top numbers. So 7 times 5 is 35. Write the 5, carry the 3. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2 is 37. And 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17. So the main difference is just that when I get to the hundreds, I still need to carry over to the thousands and then do my 7 times my thousands place. Now that I am done with that number, I'm going to cross that out, cross out those little numbers, because now I'm moving over to my tens. So remember, I need to move over to my tens here, put a placeholder of 0 there. So I will do 4 times 5, 4 times each of the numbers. 4 times 5 is 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. And then 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Now I can add these two numbers together, starting from the right. 5, 4, 11, 9, 1, 1. Put in my comma, 119,145. This one maybe takes up the least amount of space, but otherwise it's not necessarily faster, not necessarily easier, just a different way to multiply. I'll do one more example, and then if you want more examples, I am more than happy to either send them to you in an email, or you can pop on the Google Meet. Sorry, I realized I was doing a 3 times 2 instead of 4 times 2. Here we go. 3,438 times 81. You'll often see it written horizontally, so then you just need to copy it down vertically. And then, which place do we start with? The ones. So maybe you want to try it by yourself and then watch this, so you can always pause it and then come back to it once you're done with it, if you want to sort of see if you get it right. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. So that one was simple, didn't require any carrying or anything, since it was just times 4. Now I'm done with my ones. I'm moving over to my tens. I don't have any of those little numbers that I need to cross out above, so I can just start with my tens. 8. 8, make sure you go over to the ones. 8 times 8 is 64. What did I almost forget to do? Put that 0. 8 times 8 is 64. Write the 4, carry the 6. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 is 35. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Again, I have had a lot of practice with my facts, so I have them faster than you might, but it's okay if you need to take your time and go with a multiplication chart. Better to take your time, because there's a lot of areas that it's easy to make little mistakes in. So we have 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 5 is 8, 7 and 2, 1, 2, 3, put my comma. So I have 278,000 478. Like I said, if you want another example or two, just let me know and I can make another video for you, or get on the Google Meet in the morning, that 11 to 12 slot, to ask me more questions. Good luck!